Serbia's Minister of Defense visited a military base in Raska on May 31 after President Aleksandar Vučić placed the country's army on full combat alert and ordered its units to move closer to the border with Kosovo. Vučić's orders came as Serbs in northern Kosovo's municipality of Zvikan clashed with Kosovo police who were trying to help the newly elected ethnic Albanian mayor enter his office. A video published by the Serbian Defense Ministry showed Defense Minister Milos Vučević inspecting soldiers at Raska military base, near the border with Kosovo. Unrest in northern Kosovo prompted NATO to send additional troops to the area, and both the alliance and the West slammed Kosovo for not having done enough to stave off violence. Regional unrest has intensified following April elections that the ethnic Serbs boycotted, narrowing the turnout to 3.5% and leaving victory in 4 Serb-majority Kosovan mayoralties to ethnic Albanian candidates.
Oficiri, podoficiri I vojnici, zdravo! Prvo, dobro!